Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and hi everyone. So our group today will make a video about memes that contain dark jokes about the war between Russia and Ukraine. Before that, I will introduce the group members, namely myself Ahmad Zaki Mubarak. Then there are Aidil Saputra, Muhammad Aldin Nurwahta, Nabil, Muhammad Zaki Randa, and Farel. So, in recent times, numerous memes and discussion have circulated online, many of which use dark humor to reflect on the tragic realities of the ongoing war between Russia and Ukraine. These memes, while sometimes satirical, often reflect a painful truth. Ukraine have suffered massive destruction and hardship as a result of a powerful and sustained military campaigns by Russia. This devastation, while shocking, may not come as a complete surprise to observers given the considerable military strength that Russia commands. Frequently ranked as possessing the second most powerful military in the world, Russia's arsenal and capability are extensive, and the impact of its full-scale aggression against Ukraine has been felt deeply across the latter's cities, infrastructure, and population. But this war is not merely a matter of brute force. It is rooted in a complex and deeply entrenched geopolitical conflict, which has its origins in both modern strategic calculation and centuries of intertwined history. Since the annexation of Crimea by Russia in 2014, tension between the two countries have escalated dramatically. The 2022 invasion marked a turning point, shifting from a low-intensity conflict in eastern Ukraine to a full-blown war. What we see today is not just a military confrontation, it is also a struggle over identity, sovereignty, and global influence.
My name is Muhammad Aldin Nurwahta. So, Ukraine since gained independence after the dissolution of Soviet Union in 1991 has increasingly sought to assert its national identity as sovereign, independent state, leaning toward Western alliance such as the European Union and NATO. This westward orientation has not only been a matter of political aspiration, but also a strategic choice aimed at ensure long-term security, economic growth, and democracy governance. From the Russian perspective, however, this realignment represents a direct threat. Moscow has long viewed NATO expansion eastward as existential concern as former Soviet Republic and Warsaw Pact began to join NATO and the UA. Russia perceived this move as an encouragement upon its sphere of influence, a strategic effort by the West to contain or even isolate Russia on the global stage. Ukraine, because of the size, location, and historical ties to Russia, hold immense strategic and symbolic significance in this conflict.
Okay.
Nanti dikata itu.
Ukraine desire to join NATO is particularly alarming to Russia. NATO membership would mean the presence of Western military infrastructure directly on Russia border, in a scenario that Russia leaders have consistently opposite. This concern is often framed in security terms, but it is core lies a broader desire by Russia to maintain its influence in the post-Soviet space, especially over neighbor like Ukraine that once formed the heartland of the Russia Empire and later the Soviet Union. Ya, lanjut paragraf kedua. Furthermore, Russia actions ulang. Furthermore, Russia actions are also driven by a desire to research itself as a great power. By halting Ukraine's integration with Western institutions, the Kremlin aims to prevent a buffer zone and private what it views as the West's geopolitical advance. Ukraine bid for independence in foreign policy, its democratic development, and its embrace to European value are seen not only as a challenge to Russia authority, but as potential inspirations for oppositions movement within Russia itself.
Meanwhile, for Ukraine, the West represents an opportunity to transformation, closer integration with the European Union over the promise of economic modernization, rule of law, and access to global markets. NATO membership is seen as a security guarantee, a way to protect Ukrainian sovereignty in the face of mounting threats from its powerful neighbor. And then the consequences of this geopolitical collision have been catastrophic for Ukraine. Cities have been razed, millions has endured countless civilian casualties and widespread trauma, while Ukraine has shown incredible resilience and received substantial military and humanitarian support from Western nations. The disparity in military power is undeniable. Russia, with its vast resource and military-industrial complex, has inflicted significant damage. The sheer scale of the onslaught highlight just now much pressure Ukraine is under and why the country continues to seek greater international support.
Halo guys, my name is Farhan Konser Pratama. Saya dari Prodi Hubungan Internasional UD. Nah, beyond the battlefield, the war has deeply disrupted humanitarian norms and exposed the fragility of global space framework. It has also caused a stark polarization in international relationships, pushing the West and Russia into a increasingly confrontational post-reminiscence of the Cold War. The conflict has represented global energy markets, strained diplomatic ties, and triggered widespread political and economic consequences far beyond Europe. In conclusion, the war in Ukraine is not simple. A clash between the neighboring states is manifestation of a broader struggle over influence, identity, and power in 21st century. Russia attempt to keep Ukraine within its geopolitical orbit. South never fully state in explicit terms is evident in its military action and foreign policy rhetoric. Preferring Ukraine from joining NATO, your integration with the West is central of Russia's strategy as it seeks to ensure that its own security posture remains uncompromised and that its historical sphere of influence remains intact. Thank you.
Next, so in conclusion, the war in Ukraine is not simple a clash between two neighboring states. It's a manifestation of a border struggle of influence, identity, and power in the 20th century. Russian attempt to keep Ukraine within its geopolitical orbit and thou never fully stated in explicit terms is evident in its military actions and foreign policy rhetoric, preventing Ukraine from joining NATO or integrating with the West in Central Russian strategy, as it seeks to ensure that its own security posture remains uncompromised and that its historical sphere of influence remains intact. And as the conflict continues, the stakes remain high not only for Ukraine and Russia, but for the entire international order. The outcome will shape the future of European security, the resilience of democratic institutions under threat, and the principles that underpin the sovereignty of nations in a rapidly changing world. So maybe from the explanation from beginning to the conclusion is clear and enough. And thank you for your attention. And then peace be upon us all. Thank you.